So on Sora.com, I was looking for some inspiration, and I saw this image right on the Explore page, and I just really like the sort of amateur selfie, slightly out of focus look to it. It was quite authentic. So I thought, okay, let's have a look at this prompt. And the user that created this image is IPA over here. So I'm looking at this prompt, and yeah, it's nothing too out of the ordinary here. It's describing the effects, and then it's blah blah blah, and then at the end it lists who the person is, with the location, and then the fact that it's vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. That be that's completely not necessary, and I'd leave that out because it can't do that aspect ratio. So telling it to do the aspect ratio is pointless. It can do 3x2, 2x3, and 1x1 square. But anyway, what I'm going to do here is I took this and I took it right up to the point where it's telling you who the image is of and where it is. So that bit essentially. And then I created a new prompt and typed that in, and then added my own subject and environment into it. So this was my first variant on the image. So if I bring the prompt up, we can see that I've added onto the end of it, it's of a bleary-eyed British short-haired cat with a messy kitchen in the background, meaning for it to look like, I don't know, the cat's had a pie or he's just trashed the place and is looking a bit past his best. So I thought that's quite good. It's quite amusing, but it's not very interesting. So I thought I'd try and add a couple of subjects into it, and so I added onto the end of that. This is a remix now. And added onto the end a crazy looking dog photobombing in the background and a budgie perched on the cat's head. Now this is the best out of a few variations, and I absolutely love this image. It's my favourite image of the whole set, even though it's not the final image. And the dog looks great here. This looks like a really good image. But I wanted to carry on with it because it's lost a couple of the elements. It's lost the look of the British short-haired cat. So that doesn't like a British short-hair cat anymore, and the image is really clean and in focus at the front, and it's lost the kind of the whole amateur photography out of focus kind of selfie vibe that we had on the original. So what I did then is I remixed that image and tried to add in that effect, which was a bit of a disaster. So make the photo blurry with camera shake, added way too much camera shake and blur, and it just looks totally awful. So then I tried to remix again to try and undo some of that. And at this point, when you're getting remixes on top of remixes, it starts to get really messy, and the quality and the overall structure of the image starts to fall apart. And now I've got a cat that looks nothing like the original cat, and it's all starting to get a bit bad. So what I did then was I thought, okay, I'm gonna redo the original prompt from scratch. So not a remix, just the original prompt from scratch, but adding in the extra elements like the bird and the crazy dog in the original prompt to capture all that in one, with all of the nature of the original, with the you can see here with all this detail, and you see straight away the difference between that and like trying to remix that effect back in. Has gotten all the things, but composition just wasn't really good on this. So I thought, okay, one thing else I want to try was to try a different aspect ratio. So I prompted it again from scratch, but I changed the aspect ratio to 3x2 for horizontal, and that's what we got. And actually, in the end, I was really happy with that. It's got that same crazy-eyed sort of dog there, and the really unhappy looking British short-haired cat, which is what they look like anyway. Really messy kitchen. So in the end, flipping the aspect ratio was the thing that actually made this image work.